Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn class in object-oriented programming in Python. So let's see, I'll ask, explain class in object-oriented programming in Python language. So any programming language we can use to implement, like any means which are going to support object oriented programming, we can write here instead of Python, Java or C#, any. So here this course is going to be designed and implementing using Python, no? So I'm asking this question. Let's ask and take a help. In previous lecture also we have seen how the class will help, and implementation of class program we have seen. The same way, a class is an object oriented programming blueprint of creating objects which are nothing but instances, providing initial values of state, number of attributes and variables, implementation of behavior. Now this is about to do class. At what it will do, it is a created and create a simple class program in Python. I'm asking. So if you want a class name, you can specify a car class name, like any sports class name, a person class name, employee class name, you can specify. If you specified in that way, yes, it will create a specific class and it will give you a basic view of what I can say, that the descriptive class it will create and it will give it to you. So hopefully see, now the basic car is created and the output it is going to be running, and it's it's in a Java, like we have a specified I think in Python. Yes, it's also giving in Java also. So let me take this code and print like a class. I have to take like a class program now. Yes, Python class program ChatGPT. Yes, now let's check it. This is the class declaration, initiating of default method, and one description of another method using definition of keyword using, and a class instantiation and calling the class object over here, class declaration, and passing these three data arguments, and here it will be called as parameters, and this will be, once it is done, using the return keyword, it will be come to the join into the object. What the class objects, everything are here, it will be stored here, and by using this object to all the class methods we are going to be assigned here. This will be treated as here this is the function by default, and whenever we are writing inside the class it will be called as method. Strongly remember. And when I run this program, wow, what a wonder, it's a perfectly working, which is a support and source code we collected from ChatGPT. Hopefully you practice more examples. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.